Hello folks, in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build relationship between two models in a Laravel app using Redprint. For this video tutorial I'm going to create two CRUDs, products and categories, and build relationship between product and category model. So let's start by creating our CRUD product and give it a name. For this tutorial I'm keeping it real clean and simple, but of course you can add many more fields and data types. Check my other videos to learn how. So let's just click on the build button, see what happens. Okay. Alright, so our products CRUD is now ready, and let's create another. This time it's the category. Give it a name and click on build. Great, so our CRUDs are now ready, and if we go to relations we'll see that we now have three models: category, product, and user, and none of them have any relationship with the other whatsoever. So we're going to create a new relationship between the product and the category, and this time we're going to say that product actually belongs to categories. So what that means is the product table now will have a foreign key called category ID in it, which will denote to which category that product belongs. Hope that makes perfect sense to you. Before I click on this build relationship button, let's go ahead and check our database on what it looks like. So we can see that our products and categories tables are created. If we go to products table, we see that we only have this ID, name, and timestamp fields and nothing else. And on categories table, same. So now when we click on this build relationship button, there should be a category ID field added here, and some additional code should be written on the controllers and models. Let's see how that goes. So I click on the build relationship and it says that the relationship has been added successfully. Great. Now the first thing that we notice is when you go to products and try to add a new product, it now have a new drop down which says that you should select the category. So what happens if you don't select the category and leave it blank and try to save it? It says that the category ID field is required and the name field is required. So it looks like Redprint actually has done everything that we would do otherwise by hand. So let's try to add a category. Our category will be fruit, and we're going to add a fruit under this category. So select fruit from the drop down. What should be our fruit? Let's add peaches. Yep, peach. Great. So we created a category and added a product under this. So let's go on to our database and see what actually happened. As you can see, now we have a category ID field, and when we added the peach, it had a category ID of 1. Let's see if this key is really dynamic. So I'm going to create a new category. Let's call it car, and this time we're going to create a new car and name it Audi. So now if we go back to the database, we'll see that this Audi actually has a category ID of 2, and category 2 is car. Alright, so that was it folks. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.